Let's test if the LEGO Transformer Optimus Prime can survive. We have 300 LEGO blocks, and right now I am building this LEGO Transformers Optimus Prime truck. Afterwards, we will test how sturdy it is. It looks like a Chandrayaan robot, and its structure, specifically the lower section, is already complete. Let me build the front part. Let's go ahead and build the entire thing to 100% completion. Now I am building the side windows, and they are being constructed using the smallest blocks and a specific design. Now I am building some of the truck's rear design, and it really looks like the LEGO Transformer Optimus Prime truck. The time has come, friends. I am adding some glass elements and specific design details to the front so that it truly starts looking like the LEGO Transformer Optimus Prime truck. Truck is built. Let's test it now.